I know it's been a minute, right? But your girl is back. Welcome to the first episode of Slay the Synthetic Way. This is where we make affordable wigs last, look good, and still eat down. Baby, do y'all not remember this wig? This is Sensational Bohemian, okay? This was that $47 wig y'all ate up on my channel back in 2022. She's back. So I'm about to show you guys how I reinstall her, clean the lace, revive those curls, fix the baby hairs, and also give you guys my nighttime routine. Just because this wig is synthetic, it don't mean it can't give. Let's get into it. Let's clean off the lace. I'm going in with some toner and a makeup wipe, preferably a thick one or a thick paper towel. If not, it's just going to crumble into pieces. You're going to saturate the makeup wipe with the toner. Once you do that, you're going to place it directly underneath the lace, fold it in half, and begin to rub. After a few minutes, you are going to notice that the product is going to start to glide off like butter. So do be sure you're using enough of whatever you're using to remove that gook and that product buildup. If you try to comb the hair or comb the product out of the hair while it's dry, you're not going to do nothing but pull the hair straight out of the lace. You're going to have bald spots. But I tell you, I swear by this toner method. I'm obsessed with it. It does something to the hair where it feels super duper soft and like it's brand new once it's dried. I love that toner. 10 out of 10. We're about to put the wig on, and I'm so excited because y'all know this is my favorite wig, but she's been literally sitting in that box since 2022. It's 2025. Y'all do the math and look at her. The baby hairs, y'all, it was just so soft. It felt brand new. I couldn't. But look at this. It did tangle. It did tangle at the nape, and it was frizzed at the nape. So I had pretty much most of the issues at the bottom of the wig. Look at this knot. Oh, my God. All right, so now we're going to reinstall the wig. You're going to grab your hot comb and you're going to hot comb everything away from your face. This is going to be helpful when you relay the wig down with your lace spray or glue. You don't want the baby hair stuck into the product that you're using. Going in with my Kiss Colors lace spray. Y'all know I love this product. This product is going to get the job done. Unfortunately, it's hot outside. I'm a winter baby. I can't do no heat, okay? So I definitely have to double up on this spray to make sure my wig ain't going nowhere. I'm going to take my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and allow the product to get tacky. Have figured out that if your environment is hot, okay, your product is going to dry quicker if you use hot heat on that blow dryer. So always go by your environment and you'll get that tacky feel. If you don't get that tacky feel, your lace will not adhere. Taking some cream foundation. This is from Ruby Kisses in the shade level 12. I'm going to go in with the darkest shade and place it on the outside of the lace just to help the lace blend better with my forehead. We're going to now go in with our elastic band and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. If you're using lace spray, 10 minutes is all you need. So we're going to take her off and see the results. Okay. It smells it, as she should. So I had to share this kit with you guys because, first of all, this was $10. And we get all this stuff. You're getting a water bottle mister, a brush. You're getting, that's like an unbrushed dupe. You're getting a comb. Look at this. You're getting an edge brush, rat tail comb, another brush, a massager, some clips. And it also came with a scrunchie, but I didn't show you guys. I'm going to take that rat tail comb from this set and we're going to pull back out the baby hairs. I'm so excited, y'all, to reinstall this wig. Y'all just don't know because this is one of my favorite synthetic curly wigs ever. She eats down. So to get that laid look, I love to go in with some Bastion hairspray and just to take my hot comb and lay everything down. Going in to refresh the baby hairs, I'm going in with some Nairobi foam wrap lotion. I'm just going in with just a little bit because I didn't feel like getting my flat iron to recurl them. So this is going to help them, you know, form into shape. So I picked up this new edge control from Amazon, and I read the reviews, and people said this is a must-have for wigs. So I was like, let me get it. And I definitely was going to try it for synthetic, because I'm like, if it worked for virgin, what's going to do for a synthetic? And baby, 10 out of 10. It does not give you that hard, crunchy look. It makes it look so natural, like it's a virgin hair unit. That's what I love about it. Again, I like a little more, stronger hold, so I did seal it in with some lace spray, but this does not make it hard at all. I promise you it don't. So this is what the install is looking like so far, and stop playing. Now, I did forget to mention that I did go in and do a little bit of plucking. So we're going to bring back out our cream foundation and go in and define the part. This is definitely going to help give the illusion of what lays. We're going in with our curly hair routine. I'm going to refresh the curls and fix the frizz. So the top is more frizzier than the bottom, obviously. So I am going to focus more so on the top. So we're going to take our mister and lightly mist the hair. I only pull down the nozzle 2 times. That's it. Although it does have a human hair blend, overall it's synthetic. So do not drench it. You don't want it dripping wet. I am taking this synthetic wig leave-in conditioner spray and doing 2 pumps. This wig has been sitting in the box for 3 years, so I do want to, put a little moisture in her. So this is what the wig looks like once I completed my curly hair routine. I will not be showing you guys that today. I'm just kidding. Y'all know I got y'all. Going in with the star of the show, this is the Extreme Wet Line Gel. Y'all know in 2022, I was like, y'all gotta have this product for this wig, and you still do. I don't know about any other curly hair unit, but I know this product with this unit, 10 out of 10. It gets the job done. So after I go ahead and separate the hair that I want to define, I'm just going to place that product all over the hair. I make sure to focus it on the frizzy areas as well and separate. So put the product on, define it, and separate. You can crunch it up if you need to, or scrunch it up, I meant. But this is really all I do. I love this product, by the way, because it does not get hard and crunchy when it dries. It is very soft and lightweight. Lastly, I'm going in to cut the ends because I do want everything nice and cohesive. Baby, let's get into it. If y'all thought it ate in 2022, it's 2025. And I showed you guys different styles because I didn't do that in the original video. But look, this is a middle part with edges. This is not a full lace frontal wig, and you still can do some styles with a headband. Lastly, we're going in to do my nighttime routine, and look how beautiful these curls turns out at the end of the day. Stop playing. If y'all like a wet hair curly look with a little bit of volume, that gel is going to give you these results. 10 out of 10. Now I'm just looking to see if I have any frizzy pieces or if I have any knots, and I'm just going to finger detangle and add a little bit of gel. Y'all know with synthetic curly hair, less is more. Keep your hands to yourself unless you're using your hands to move the hair out your face. So if you're going to be sleeping in your wig at night, you need a silk scarf. This is going to be your best friend. If you're using cotton, like them bandanas, is that what they call them, banana scarves or them elastic bands, the product is going to stick to it. So the next day when you go take your wrap off, baby, your lace is going to lift and all that product is just going to be stuck. So let's not do that. This step is optional if your hair feels a little bit dry at the end of the day. It can reactivate that leave-in conditioner and, help moisturize the hair overnight. Optional again. So this is one of 2 ways I wear my hair under the bonnet. So the first way is 2 light, soft twists. You just want to lightly do it. Do not act like you're braiding it and have it super tight because you're going to ruin the curl pattern, okay? So you're going to grab your biggest bonnet and you're going to take the twist and stick it up in there. Now, the twist might unravel in there, and that is fine. That's why I say grab you your biggest bonnet, okay? So you're just going to put that on and you're going to carry your tail to sleep. You're going to do a low, loose ponytail. You're going to take your scrunchie and just put it on once. Do not wrap that around there 2 and 3 and 4 times, just once. And then you're going to take it and just put it in the center of your head and then put your bonnet on, and that's it. These are the only 2 ways that I style my wig underneath my bonnet. All right, girlies, that is going to be all for today's episode of Slay the Synthetic Way. The wig is laid and the curls are back, and she is ready for the freaking week. If this video helped you, go ahead and like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what y'all want to see next. Do y'all want to see a wash day? Do y'all want some styling tips? Let me know down below. I also do have some wigs left from the wig sales that I had about a couple Saturdays ago. So if y'all want to check that out, it's tj.com. I will have it linked below. Don't forget to check out the link to this wig along with the products that I used, which will be down in that, description section as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.